Okay, step 2 is a shorter video, so I'm gonna put that on there mid-week. I'll drop it on there now because I think it's about 4 minutes long, so I normally try and put a video up each weekend, but I'll put one on now, and then in I think 4 days time, or on Sunday, I'm gonna pop up stage 3, and then we should be in line with the tumble. One thing I didn't mention was that you need to burp the barrel once you put it on for about a day, and that just releases any gases. Burping the barrel means taking the nut off, the lid off, everything off, letting the air exit it, and then putting it back on, but clean around the rim before you do that, so you get a nice good seal. Someone commented and mentioned that, which is very helpful. Thank you, and I think that's about it. Okay, here we go. It's been 7 days since we had to put this guy back in because of all of the grit. You can see it there. All of the grit. After 8 days for the first round, it didn't settle down the bottom. So hopefully this will show up pretty good. I'll get it up. Alright, let's see what the outcome is. I ended up popping a bit more of these in because it was crashing around a fair bit in there. There's still some of that. Oh, it's not too bad this time. You can see the grit's actually gone. I've opened it a few times now during the week to check on how the progress is going. I've had to give it a little bit of a shake up here and there, but we'll get the hose on there and wash it out. Okay, so there's the rocks. I won't go into too much detail with you for them because this is the end of stage 1. We've still got stage 2, 3, 4, and then the burnishing rounds. But they're getting smoother on the corners and stuff like that. I think these flat ones will probably not tumble around as much inside the machine, but they have taken a little bit of a shaping, so that's cool. They're all looking good. So they're all looking good. I'm homesick today, so I feel like crap. I'm in a case of the man flu. Alright, so before I put this one back on for its run again, this stone had changed its shape a fair amount, or it'd been shaped a fair amount, a lot more than the other stones. I think it's a softer, you may remember it from the first video, it looked like this. And now it looks like this. I took it out. I'm gonna skip around with this one because I do think it's a lot softer than this chalcedony or chalcedony. I forgot, I'm gonna scrub these down too before I put them in the barrel. I'm gonna scrub my barrel down as well because you don't want any grit going from one round to the next. I notice now that it's about halfway now. So this is when I have to add, some people have ceramic pellets or something like that. I don't. So I'll be adding more of those ball things. There you go, so that's in there. Again, the water. Put the grit in there now. I'm going with the 240 silicon carbide. So that's step 2. Get a nice seal on there. Just let that go down. That on there. Not too tight with these ones. I mean, you do it finger tight, but if you do it too tight, apparently you can get a bow in the lid, which will then affect the seal around the edge there. So, all right, I'm gonna go put him on another week.